Yum for you, and today we're going to create deviled eggs deliciousness. That's right. And I'm wearing my witch hat because you're gonna be thinking that this recipe is so delicious that I put a spell on these eggs. What do you think of that? Exactly. Let's get right down to making this deliciousness. This is gonna be quick, easy, and my taste buds are ready. So you get yours ready too. Hi everyone, I am ready with all these ingredients here. My eggs, I have my boiled eggs. They're already boiled and ready to go and peeled. Yay. And we have the mayonnaise, relish, pickled relish, salt, mustard, and pepper. And a side bowl, I have my cutting board because my eggs are ready. So take the egg. You're not going to watch me do them all, but cut the egg in half this way. And then I'll just go ahead and put that yolk in a side bowl. So that's all I'm going to be doing is we're just going to cut the eggs in half and put this egg, the yolk, in a side bowl. Okay. And we want to do that. I cooked a dozen eggs today. I'm going to be feeding a bunch of hungry people. Not a bunch, but you know, family. Okay, so this is, there we go. And that's what we're going to do. And you're going to save this portion of the egg because we're going to be filling this back up after we add our other ingredients to the egg yolks. So stay tuned for that. The eggs are ready. These are all the yolks. I'm going to take a side bowl and go ahead and mix our sauce that goes into the eggs. You don't want to dump this on the eggs. You want to go ahead and pre-mix the mixture that goes into the eggs for the deviled eggs. So I've got my pepper, mustard, relish, a little bit of salt, mayonnaise. There we go. And then I just want to mix it around real good to make sure it's well incorporated. This mix is better when you just mix all your pre-ingredients that go into the eggs off to the side. Mix it and then you have it a well balanced mingled sauce where everything is just put together nicely. And just sit that off to the side. Now that our sauce is ready, that was easy. I'm going to set this off to the side and move all this stuff out of my work area. And now I have another bowl to go ahead and put in my egg yolks. Smash these up real good and get them ready for the sauce. Okay, there we go. That was easy. And they're still gonna get smashed up a little bit more, but this is ready. All right, quick and easy recipe. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top. There we go. Make sure you use a spatula to get all of the ingredients out of the bowl. All right, I think I have everything I need. And then we're just gonna mix this up real good. All right, folks, like I said, this is a quick and easy recipe. And this is mixed up pretty good. Let's go ahead and grab my spatula, get this off my fork. I'll go ahead and do this. And all this deliciousness is ready. There we go. So just put that off to the side. And I'll bring my plate back and get ready. Show you how to fill these and toppings that you can put on top of these to add to the deliciousness. Okay, folks, I'm ready to fill these eggs. I'm using a teaspoon. You can use a whatever spoon you're comfortable with. I like a teaspoon. It's about right for the measurement. There we go. So we just easy to fill. Okay, very easy. Okay, these eggs are already looking delicious. They smell good. This is a quick, easy, fun recipe. And it's great for parties or anytime. There we go. I guess I'm making a slight mess. So anyway, here we go. With these, I'm only gonna do, we have, let's see. I want to show you something you can do with these eggs. You can top them to make them look pretty. You can top them with paprika, some, and everything bagel is popular right now. So you can top some of them with the everything bagel, which is also delicious. I'm making a mess. There we go. So, there we have it. This is amazing and delicious, quick, easy, a nice dish you can make at home, of course, and your family will love it. Deviled eggs. All right, well, let's do the deliciousness test. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. This was a quick and easy recipe. And was it spooky? No, even though they're deviled eggs, the only thing devilish about this recipe is that they're, you know, scary delicious. So it's time to do the deliciousness test. Put your own toppings on here. You can even use, put on olives, and whatever. Black olives, green olives. I'm over here making a mess. Oh, yummy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe when I bring some more deliciousness to you and everyone else. All right, let me see. Yum. Absolutely delicious, folks. So, again, I'll see you in my next video when I, or we, all of us, create some deliciousness. Bye for now. And that wasn't spooky, right?